How to trade on Binance futures step by step. Everything you always wanted to know about the coin margin contract but were too afraid to ask. We just created a new referral code for new users signing up on the Binance Futures Exchange. You will get a 10% discount on fees for your first 30 days and also a lifetime 10% discount when trading with your spot wallet on Binance. To get this bonus, simply click on the link in the description or type in the word strategy when creating your account. We chose this word so that you remember to have a strategy before trading with leverage. To transfer your funds, go to Wallet, Overview, and on the Spot section, click Transfer. In our case, we will send Bitcoin to the coin margin futures. Now select the currency, type in the amount, and click Confirm. Another way is to go directly to the Futures tab. Now we will do the exact same way as before, and there we have it. Keep in mind that internal transfers are free on Binance. To withdraw, just click here and you can send your Bitcoin back to your spot wallet. Now that we have our Bitcoin ready, let's head to the Coin Futures Exchange. The fees will go even lower, 0.015% for makers and 0.04% for takers. If you trade a lot and have enough BNB in your wallet, you will be upgraded to higher VIP levels and therefore pay lower fees that can even become negative for makers. We have two types of contracts, the quarterly futures, which has an expiration date, or the perpetual contract. The price is not the same between them because currently there is an expectation for Bitcoin to rise in price. The perpetual contract, as the name suggests, never expires, but in turn it has a funding rate every 8 hours. In our case, longs will pay a percentage of their position to shorts. This rate will vary according to the demand of the specific coin and can even become negative, like shorts paying longs. Besides Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, Cardano, Link, and the Binance coin, BNB. Now let's check the most important features that you should be aware of. You can choose between cross and isolated modes. Cross shares your margin balance across all open positions, while isolated, you can manage your risk individually. I will choose Isolated and Confirm. You can adjust the leverage by clicking here. I will reduce to 5x. Be very careful with high leverage trades as you can potentially lose all your position if the market goes against you. Mouse over the labels to learn exactly what they mean. It's pretty much all the standard stuff that you find in other margin crypto exchanges. When trading, 1 equals a position of $100 in Bitcoin. This trade will be settled in Bitcoin. Now it's time to check the order types. Post only means you will only trade in passive orders to pay a lower fee. Reduce only means you will only reduce your position and never increase. This can be very useful in certain situations, such as having a limit order to take profit and a stop loss simultaneously. Besides those, we have good till cancel, immediate or cancel, and fill or kill, explained in detail when you mouse over. You can also use market order to buy instantly. A very neat tool is the calculator, in which you can estimate your profit or loss according to your position and of course the liquidation price. Spend some time on the calculator before opening your trades. Now it's time for a trade. I will go short on one contract at 11,702 and let's wait and see if it gets filled. It can take a while, and that's why people use market orders at times with high volatility. And it was filled, so now we can see our open position. Here we have the entry price, mark price, the all-important liquidation price, and so on. Here you can add or reduce margin to change your liquidation price according to your strategy. The P&L is your current profit or loss. Right now I'm losing 0.03% and the market is starting to fall, so I will prepare my buy order to close my position. This is my little order right here. Oh, it's going up. Alright, it got filled and there you have it. You can see your order history, your trade history, transaction history, to see your deposits, withdrawals, fees, and the realized P&L. Of course, this was just a little example. For real trades, I would make a larger and longer trade when an opportunity arises. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, this is a pretty new feature for Binance, and I certainly enjoyed the coin futures more than the USDT futures. Remember to sign up using the referral link below or type in strategy to get your bonus. Shout out to the Binance Futures 1-year anniversary. I'm excited for the future of Bitcoin. I'm excited for the future of Binance. Thank you for watching.